Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to apply TFN in Australia on a student visa. TFN means tax file number. So when you came in Australia as a student, this is very important document you have to apply it before you start your work, because if you want to get your salaries and if you want to get paid your taxes, so Australian tax number is very important. So let's start with this. Firstly, you have to open your Google Chrome and anything else you used, and search TFN Australia. So please make sure you go with your official Australian government website. So official government website is www.ato.gov.au. So click on this, open this. So here you can read all details who can apply for TFN. And one important information, you can apply TFN once in your life. So here is the details who can apply: Australian residents, TFN application, foreign passport holders, permanent migrants, and temporary visitors. So if you are on student visa, you will go with this option: foreign passport holders, permanent migrants, and temporary visitors. So click on this. After this is also, here's the information who can apply: permanent residence visa, visa with work rights, overseas students, allowing visa allowing you stay in Australia. So these are all details who can apply. So we'll start with the application. Apply online for TFN using IAR. So here is again that those details who can apply: overseas students and visa with working rights. So we will start with the application. Firstly, you have to put down your passport number. After that, your country of origin, where your passport is issued. So have you ever visited Australia before? If yes, so you already have your TFN number, you can retrieve that. And if no, this is your first time, so go with no. Here you can fill your personal details. One main thing, very important in your personal details: in Indian, mostly Indian passports, we don't have our surname and last name. So if you have only one name, like your given name, so you will put your full name in the family name, because here is the star, this field is mandatory. So you have to fill like your full name in this. There is no need to fill your first name. If you have a one name, if you have a surname, so surname or last name, you will fill that in family name, and first given name, your first name. So if you have only one name on your passport and your family or last name column is blank, so you have to fill in this whole your full name in the family name. So after that, are you have even known by other names? No. Put your date of birth and select your gender. Do you have a spouse? If you have a spouse, you have to fill details of your spouse also. If no, you are a single, tick on the no and go next. They are asking some questions. Have you ever applied TFN and ABN, Australian business number, before? So if you are applying first time, say no. Have you ever had TFN and ABN in your name? No. Have you ever lost a tax return in Australia? They are asking if you paid any uh, in past taxes in Australia. No. Do you have a own property or have other business interests in Australia? No, because you are on a student visa. I have authorized Centrelink to receive my TFN from the RTO. No, because we are not a citizen. We are not taking any Centrelink from the government. So go with next. So they are asking for address because they will send you your TFN by post also. So put your address. So like I put my address. So save with this. And also they are asking my residential address is same as my Australian post addresses. So almost this will be same. So you will click on this. So you will get your TFN by post also. Go with the next, and please fill your mobile number and your email ID. And go with next. So this is your last summary. Please guys check your all details very carefully. If you filled anything wrong, you can edit it now, but after submission you will not able to edit anything. So make sure your passport number, your country, travel document country, your name, your date of birth, gender, your address, and all question answers, and your email ID, your address, all things correctly mentioned, correctly filled up. So when you will check your all details is correct, you have to tick declaration box, and after that you have submit the application. After submitting your application you will get your TFN. Hope so within a week, sometime you will get it in 3 or 4 days. I got my TFN in 4 days. So you will get your TFN by post. So make sure your address and your phone number is correct. If they need any further information or any declaration, they will call you, they will message you. And so this is very easy process, guys. Don't pay much money to others. Like my many of my friends told me they pay 50 bucks, 80 bucks to apply TFN and ABN, Australian business number. You can also watch my other video where is I explained whole process about apply ABN as a student. So don't pay, you can apply your own. This is very easy. If you like this video, if this video is very informative to you, kindly like and share, and subscribe my channel, so I will put more informative videos about these processes in Australia, in Canada, and different countries. So hope guys you like this video.